Hello, friends. Welcome to the day 3 of Basic English Grammar. If you have missed day 1 and day 2, I request you to go through that first, and after that, you can come to day 3 so that you will be familiar with all the words, all basic English words. So, let us continue with basic and important words which are very necessary to speak in English. So, to speak in English, we need sentences, and to make the sentences, we need meaningful words. So, today we are coming up with few important basic words which will help us to make proper sentences to speak fluently. All right, so let's jump into this. Today we are coming up with I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Today we have come up with these basic important words. Dear friends, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are basically called personal pronouns. These are personal pronouns, and today we are going to see the subjective form of the sentences. What is subjective form? Subjective form is nothing but when we form sentence, there are three parts: subject, predicate, and object. So today we are considering the subjective form, that means taking the preference of first part of the sentence, that is I, we, as I said here, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. All right, let us understand what are these words, how it is important. I, we, these come under first person. So, there are three types of persons in English: first person, second person, and third person. Today we'll see about these persons. So that's why it's called personal pronouns. Pronoun, pronoun. Pronoun is the word which we use instead of noun. Noun, the name of the person, and pronoun is instead of noun, instead of name, we use these words. They are called pronouns. All right. So I and we. Instead of my name, if I say I, that is a pronoun, personal pronoun. We use I for single person, not for plural, right? So I is for single person, and this comes under first person. I is singular. I am here. So how to use this? We have seen in the day 2. So today it will be a type of revision for you. So along with I, we always use am in present tense. In present tense, we use I am. All right. So I am here. This is for present tense, and for past tense, we use I was here. That means for past tense, we use was. I was. Right? And again, this is plural. We use we. We for plural, more than one. That is called, we use a pronoun as we. We are neighbors. Or if it is here, we are here. We are neighbors. So here you can see yes. Yes is for plural. And we are neighbors. We means many people, more than one person. This is for present tense. We use are along with we. We are. I am. We are. Right? Now for past tense, we use we were. In, in the day 2, we have seen how to pronounce this. It's not were. We should pronounce this as were. We were neighbors. You can see this is were in the past tense along with we. For plural, we use were, and you can see here it is neighbors, means many people, that is plural, more than one. Here it was we are in present tense, and in past tense we say we were. Alright. Next, coming to the second person. I and we, first person, I for singular, we for plural. And for second person we use you. Here one exception is we use you for both singular and plural. Either it may be a one person or more than one person. That's more than one or one person, we use same you. You are smart, and along with you we always use are. It might be singular or plural. We use are for you. That is in present tense. And for past tense we use you were. Right? You were smart. This is about second person. You. Coming to third person, we use he, she and it for singular. The single person, one person, he, she and it. It can be used for anything or any animal, bird. We can use it. He is my friend. He is single person, so we use is. He is my friend. At the same way, we can use she. He for boy, she for girl. He is my friend. Again, you can use she is my friend. She is my friend. Alright? It is beautiful. It is beautiful. That means for he, she and it you can use is is in present tense, whereas coming to past tense you can use he was. He was my friend. She was my friend. It was beautiful. That means you can use was for he, she and it. Was for past tense, is for present tense. Alright. Now coming to plural, they. We use they. For they we use are because it is plural. Plural is more than one. So they are happy. In present tense are for they, and for past tense we use were. So they were happy. Alright dear friends, this is about I, we. I for singular, we for plural. Singular is one and plural denotes more than one. That's for first person, I, we. Second person, you. Both for singular and plural. One or more than one, we use you. And along with you always comes are. That's in present tense. And third person is he, she and it. That is singular. And for singular, he, she and it, we use is for present tense. And plural is they, we use are for they. And coming to past tense, we use was for I. In present tense, it was I am. Past tense, it is I was. And we are in present tense, we were in past tense. You are in present tense, you were in past tense. He, she, it is. He, she, it was in past tense. They are in present tense, they were in past tense. This is about present and past. Then what about the future? Let us see. Yes, dear friends, now let us see about the future. In future, I shall be there. That is for I shall be there. We shall be neighbors. Use shall for I and we. That's for first person, for future. And you will be smart, or you will be there. So for you, we are using will be. He, you is second person. He, she, it. Third person singular. We use will be for future. She will be my friend. He will be my friend. It will be beautiful. And this is singular. And for plural, we use they. They will be happy. Alright? Alright, dear friends. Today we have seen the basic English grammar, basic and important words. And these are called subjective form of sentences. Like we are giving preference to the subject. I, we, you, he, she, it, they in the subject place. Alright. If you all like this video, you can click on the like button, as well as you can share it with others so that they can also learn this free of cost. As well as, dear friends, you need live sessions, you can click on the join button in the YouTube. Click on the membership level 4 to get live sessions with me so that you can clarify your doubts then and then. As well as, don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you subscribe, you will be getting all the episodes every day as soon as it released. Alright, that's all for today. Let me know if you are waiting for day 4. Let me know in the comment. That's all for today. This is Rani D'Souza, an author and India's first authority building mentor. See you in the next session, that is day 4. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with others so that they also can learn. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel so that you will get everyday new tips on this